Hey guys, welcome to our video. We wanted to say thank you for 180 views on our last video.
The hiccup video.
The hiccup video.
That stupid ass 30
I
second.
posted it as a joke and it went viral.
They're like, bitch, 200 views is not viral.
We went viral.
That's viral to us.
Yeah. Well, thank you guys. And let's get on to the video. It's our first time out of the house in 4 days. We're at Takara.
We're gonna add all the videos.
You guys are vlogging. Sure.
Skinny.
Can we get this? Guys, we're saying goodbye for good.
Fattest wedgie.
Bye, guys.
Didn't get the fattest wedgie thing.
Go back. We need to make a montage.
Like the Mona Lisa. Hurry.
Hey guys, I'm in different clothes and we're just chilling.
And you'll ever meet.
Literally
not.
She's literally so ratchet.
Hit me, bitch. Oh, can you imagine me and you actually got in a fight? I'll be whammo. Are you okay? My fat ass sat on the remote.
Stop!
Boom, boom. Get it. Ooh, I want to get in a fight.
Stop!
Bitch.
Stop!
See,
She doesn't even know what grammar is.
the fuck is grammar? Hit me my tit again.
Oh!
Oh. They're not frozen yet. My Gatorade's not cold, so I'm drinking a popsicle. See?
Okay, ready? Now.
Yeah! Oh my god. Did you guys see that? Let's go. So in case you guys didn't see, I just accidentally hit it on top of that roof. And you know what? I'm quite frankly sick and tired of this YouTube thing. She caught me.
Okay, go get it. Go get it.
Go get You do. Chairs there. We're lazy.
Okay. Tornado, and we're scared it might hit us again. Thank you for 100.
Change of plans. We're in the car. Where's the light bulb? We're going to. Where are we going? Is Don driving? Yes.
Yeah.
You get the cigarette ashes. Thank you, Don. Me and Cammy was fighting over who sits there so we don't get our smell of cigarette ashes on us. And guess who fought me?
Shirt, shorts, sandals, or whatever. Shirt.
My We don't approve this message.
We don't approve.
Hobo.
Did you know that me and my dad had to talk about boyfriends, and he said I was allowed to have a boyfriend. He said he doesn't care. My dad.
Yeah, they took so long. We had to.
Cheese.
Oh, that beautiful.
They're making out.
No cadoodling on the couch.
Okay.
Shit. Is that a rat? Oh, it's a rat. Ah. Me.
He's like this.